pictory.ai transitions and elements. In this video, I will show you how to use pictory.ai transitions between scenes. This is the video Pictory generated for me. To add transition, click on this option here you see between each scenes. From here you can see different transition in different style. You can stay on each of them to see how it will appear and show. And now, for example, I choose this one. For each 2 slides you have this option. You can choose for each of these slides separately, different shape of transition. Or if you want a same transition for all of the slides, you can click on this option and choose this option here. With this option, the transition you chose earlier will apply between all slides easily in second. Here you have different option for remove or change the transition for any time you need to have any changes. The point here is that you can't see the result of these transition in the preview section. But after to download it, you can see the result. It is because of copyright issues. By the way, you can use the coupon code below to get 20% discount on each Pictory plan you want. Copy the coupon code ZBSZO in the box and apply. As you see, it is work and you can get a good discount. And to use the elements in your slide, go to Elements on the left-hand menu, then select the Stickers, GIFs, or Emojis tab. Any one these you need. You can search for an element or browse through the list. For example, I search for this. Once you've selected an element, click on it to apply it to the scene. You can also resize and drag elements around the scene. As you can see, it is too easy to work with Pictory AI Video Generator tool. If you click on the element you added, this toolbar above will appear, and you can have some extra features to adjust this element, like rotate and opacity, that you can use it. Also, you can see this option for duplicate the sticker on the same scene. Or you can even copy this element to all scenes with this option easily.